The sun'll come out in 4 years. Bet your only income that in 4 years there'll be sun. Just thinking about these 4 years makes it seem like there won't be a fifth year. We'll be gone when I'm stuck with a man whose plan is simply against all my beliefs. I'll grieve, but say, oh, the sun will